in this video I'd like to show you how to install a half-framed bath screen. The half screen means that it's got a piece of aluminium frame fitted onto the glass, but there's no other frame that goes onto the wall. So instead of this, it's got just rubber washer that goes against the wall, and another rubber washer on the bottom that goes against the bath edge. And there's also a couple of fixings, two hinges, one goes on the bottom, one on top of the screen, and basically that's the fitting, nothing else, and few wall plugs and screws. So according to the instruction, we need to fit the bottom hinge first, something about 1 cm from the edge of the bath, and we need to mark these two holes. You need to sharpen your pencil something like this shape, as the holes are very small. Now let's make two holes in a tile. I'm using the tile drill bit, as you see. And now, even if you don't have silicone yet between the bath and the tiles, the final silicone, so we need to add a bit behind this swivel, behind this hinge. And also the silicone needs to go at this edge outside of the hinge, but this I'm gonna do later, as I'm gonna drill a bath as well, so I'm not gonna mess it up. There's also a little collar that goes on top of this bit. So now, according to the instruction, we should fit the plastic seal. So if this is the bath side, so the seal should go, you see this bit outstanding, so this should go from the side of the bath. They cut it at 45 degrees, so it should both meet here at this corner. And that's the bottom seal. Better do both at the same time. So this corner is like 90 degrees, yeah. And then we realize that both seals are a bit longer than the screen, so we need to cut them. So we need to mark it where we should cut it. The same on the other seal. Remove it again. And we cut them using hacksaw. Then we need to use spirit level and mark the top hinge. So now as we mark the top swivel, we can drill in tiles and fit the swivel with the bath screen. So now we need to put just a little bit of silicone around here. So that's it. So this door can open only to the outside. Don't press it too much to the inside, as it just the plastic hinges just stop it. I'm not very impressed with this door, but hopefully it's not gonna leak. So if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.